How to turn off sound effect in Downhill Racer game. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you want to turn off the sound effect in the Downhill Racer game and enjoy silent gaming, here's how you can do it. The first step you can do is to turn off all the volume on your device and enjoy the game. But if you want to turn off the sound from the in-game setting, then launch open the Downhill Racer game on your device, and once you're inside this page, go to the top left section and tap on the gear icon. This will open settings where you need to turn off the button right next to music and sound. Once you have turned those off, you'll be able to enjoy the game without any sound effect or background music. So there you have it. You can now enjoy the game in silence without any sound effect. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.